In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this proportional extrude illusion with Blender. This is how the scene looks like. Let's create an arrayed set of cubes. This is one way to extrude. But what will happen if I try to extrude the middle face proportionally? Let's create a plane, and array it the same way. I have used a Ctrl+A shortcut to apply the modifiers. The same thing happens. We must select all available faces, and extrude them individually. Shift+Z to wireframe view, and type 1 in edit mode to select the vertices. Let's select all bottom vertices, and type H to hide them. I'll select the middle faces, and use individual origins to extrude them upward, while the proportional editing feature is activated. Type A to select all, S to scale, Z for the Z axis, and 0 to reset all the faces, Z, rotation to 0 like this. Alt+H to unhide everything. This is how we create the illusion. I'll show you the material, environment light, and composite details. Please remember to rotate the Y mapping rotation to 90 degrees. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.